Hi, just a short video show the condition of this Dyson Dc34 animal cordless vacuum cleaner. Comes in perfect working order and clean. Comes with everything as pictured. Comes with the official charger, a brand new crevice tool, a brand new combination tool, a Dyson power head brush, and the actual main unit. The main unit has a brand new 4000 mAh battery. I purchased this last week for this listing. It's in full working order. I've cleaned the filter and dried it, cleaned the head, cleaned the bin. Does have marks and dust in tight places as pictured. I'll just show it working quickly. There's two modes on this. That's economy mode and that's boost mode. On boost mode the battery drains a lot quicker until you charge it again. To empty the bin, hold it over a container and pull down on the red lever here. The bottom will open. To clean the filter, press the top. Take the filter out, as you can see it's fully cleaned. Wash it under a tap or put it in the washing machine. This is serial number CG4-UK-DHA2212A. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.